FastMCP 3 employs an asynchronous tool calling mechanism to bridge protocol gaps between clients and servers, enabling prompt access through standardized tool interfaces. This design pattern abstracts direct prompt operations into tool-based interactions, maintaining middleware consistency while expanding client compatibility. We're about to examine how a client initiates this interaction by invoking the getPrompt tool with a specific prompt name, demonstrating the transform's ability to render prompts through a unified tool calling interface. The code reveals the minimal parameter structure required for this operation, showcasing the simplicity of the abstraction layer. Result equals await client call tool. Get prompt. Name, simple prompt. This code demonstrates a tool call pattern in FastMCP 3, where a client asynchronously requests a prompt named simple prompt from a server. The call tool method is used with two arguments, the tool name, getPrompt, and a dictionary specifying the prompt name. This approach abstracts direct prompt access behind a tool interface, enabling clients that only support tool calls to interact with server-side prompts. The pattern is particularly useful when working with clients that lack native prompt protocol support. By routing through the PromptsAsTools transform, the server maintains consistent middleware handling auth, rate limiting for prompt operations, treating them identically to direct prompt calls. The simplicity of this call, just a tool name and prompt identifier, makes it accessible while preserving the server's security and governance policies. Let's break it down line by line. Result equals await client call tool. Calls the call tool method on the client object asynchronously using await, initiating an asynchronous operation that will return a result when complete. The method invocation suggests interaction with an external tool or service, though the specific tool and parameters aren't visible in this segment. The result of this asynchronous call is assigned to the variable result for subsequent use in the program. GetPrompt references a string literal getPrompt, which appears to be a function or method name in the context of the codebase. The exact purpose isn't visible from this single line, but it suggests there's a function named getPrompt that would be called or referenced elsewhere in the code. Name, simple prompt. Defines a dictionary with a single key-value pair where the key is name, and the value is the string simple prompt. FastMCP 3's asynchronous tool calling mechanism bridges protocol gaps by abstracting prompt operations into standardized tool interfaces, as demonstrated by the getPrompt tool call. The client initiates this interaction with a minimal parameter structure, just the tool name and a prompt identifier, while the server maintains consistent middleware handling through the PromptsAsTools transform. This design choice preserves security and governance policies while expanding compatibility with clients that lack native prompt protocol support. The simplicity of the abstraction layer, requiring only a tool name and prompt identifier, makes it accessible without sacrificing server-side consistency.
The client calls for the prompt. The prompt calls for arguments. Who answers when both are stuck in the function?